Morning students, this is Jadip sir. Today we will start with a new chapter, that polygons and quadrilaterals. This will be the first module. Today again what I told you, the first module we will do. Now see what is polygon. Polygon, you need to be understood that polygon is what? The closed figure with sides as line segment. A closed figure with sides as line segment is called polygon. Now there are two types of polygons. The two types of polygons is what? In each side, each angle, if each angle of a polygon is less than 180 degree, it is called convex polygon. And if any one angle of polygon is more than 180 degree, it is called concave polygon. Now we have some practical use. We'll be doing the practical use in the exercises, but some part is there. How many sides are there? How many polygons are there? All are more or less, you can say all are polygons only. See, I have drawn a triangle over here. See, triangle is having how many sides? 1, 2, 3. There I have written what number of sides is 3. Quadrilateral also a polygon. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Pentagon, how many sides? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6. Hexagon. Hexagon 6. Hexagon, how many sides we have? 6 sides. Like we have heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay, like this we are having the number of sides. Now next part we'll do some formulas for the polygons. What are the formulas we have to find out? See what formula we written? First formula, see, sum of the angles of a polygon. Sum of the angles of a polygon means what? If I draw a figure, suppose if I draw I've drawn a quadrilateral over here. See how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sum of the angles means inside angles I'm telling out. If you want to find out what is the sum of the all the angles of a polygon, that means what? You have to know the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here the formula we have what? N minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is the number of sides. N is the number of sides. Next we are coming with the sum of exterior angle of a polygon. Exterior means what? Outside angle, not the interior, that is the outside. See, I have written in the figure, I have drawn figure. See, this is the, if I write down this x, this is y, this is z, this is w, this is m. See, all these variables are interior angle, but exterior angle is what? See this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called exterior angle. That time the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is always 360. It might be also 7-sided figure, 10-sided figure, 6-sided figure, 5-sided figure. Always the exterior angle of a polygon will come as 180 degree. Sorry, 360 degree. Sum will come 360 degree. Now see, I have drawn over here also. After adding up also, the value that is coming was 360. Now how to find out each interior angle of a polygon? Each interior angle, how to find it out? The formula is that n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. What is the n? N is the number of sides. Next, each exterior angle, how to find? 360 by n. 360 by n. Okay. These are the formulas you have to memorize. This formula you have to memorize. This part also to memorize. This part and this part you have to memorize. This part, all these four parts are very important part. Okay. Now we'll start with the exercises. Some questions I'll do. Okay. Here, question on Roman 2 Roman 1 exercise 25.1. What is given? That to find out the sum of the angles. The first they have given what in the question, that number of sides is given what? 7. I've written 7 over here only. The number of the sum of the angles of a polygon. What is the formula? Just now we have written. See, here we've written the formula. Sum of the angles of polygon is what? N minus 2 into 180 degree. Same thing here also written, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here in place of 7 I have put the value of 7 as because it is given 7. Then after subtracting is coming 5 into 1, it will be 900 degree. Okay. Degree you have to give degree, that is the angle part. That is, we have to write down a degree. Now in question 5 Roman 1, they have asked how many sides. Now just the opposite of this one, or the opposite is given. How many sides, but the sum of the measure of the angle is given 3600. See, I made their same formula only. In place of sum of the angles, I put the value over here. After cancelling out and transposing to right hand side, what you have got, that n equals to 22. Very simple, very easy chapter. This chapter is very scoring and you have to score full marks. These kind of questions are very easy. This kind of question will be coming in the exam only. Okay. Next, we are coming to 9 Roman 1, that find the measures of each angle of a regular polygon of 6 sides. What is regular polygon? Regular polygon means what? All sides are equal. If I tell regular triangle, that means what? Sorry, if I tell regular trapezium, all sides will be equal. That means what? Regular means all sides are equal of any figure. Any figure. Polygon can be any figure. Now you have to find out the measure of each angle. Each interior angle formula we know that we have done here only. See, each interior angle n minus 2 into 180 degree by 2. Same thing also here we have written n minus 2 into 180 by n. That means n value is given what? 6 over here is given. Then 6 minus 2, 180 by 6. I am cancelling out, is getting what? 120 degree. That means each interior angle of this particular regular polygon, the value is 120 degree. Okay. I hope today you have understood your class, and don't keep your works pending. Do your work on time, and this all the videos, and I will give you the PDF in the WhatsApp only. Don't worry, if you have any query, you'll be given the solution. And one more, I'm giving the answer from the book also at the back side. Some answers might be wrong. Why might be wrong? The printing might be mistake is there in the book. So don't worry if the answer is also whatever answer you are coming, that is okay. I'm producing the solution, you match up with my solution. That answer will be the correct one. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.